Hello, this is Jacob Love, and this is my Project 3. So as you can see, there's everything here from Project 2, but plus a couple more assets on the tables here for the mini scale. And if you press the X button on the controller here, it brings up this little menu, which can allow you to toggle between all the different things we wanted to do for this project. So we can switch to the playset, we can shrink, we can grow, we can turn the room, we can toggle gravity, and we can turn the room in the other axis. So let's shrink down and check that out here. So let's get over by this table. So we've added some new functionality to these tables. So all of these tables have this. You can come up to them and you can grab on and climb. Climb up to the top. This allows us to get over the tables. Kind of have to go around the edge here. Then we want to bring ourselves up. Get on the table here. Alright. So now we're on the table, we can kind of still use this table to move around, and we can see all of our new assets, all the old ones like this lamp, this chess table at a whole new size. See a giant Andy there, and you can still move these things. It's pretty exciting, and interact with all these little new objects on the table like this airplane here, which you can grab, and the phone over there. There's also some more stuff on these other tables, but check this out later. You can also go back to normal size. This sometimes moves us a bit. Alright, so going back to the middle here, we have the ability now to rotate the scene. So rotate, we can just rotate around like this, or we can put ourselves onto the walls here. Everything falls with us. We can rotate again to go around on the ceiling here. We got caught on this little bit. You can see the chairs over there falling and whatnot. And I'm just going to reset. You can keep rotating this around. It will rotate around you so that you don't, it rotates around your head so that you don't fall through, get clipped through the ground at any point. But we can reset the scene at any time by just clicking the main office here, and it puts us right back here with everything reset where it's supposed to be. And we can turn gravity off, which is personally my favorite setting here. And we can fly around now using the right trigger, which allows us to move. You can see these chess pieces floating up in the air. Actually, everything that's interactable will float. It's just most things don't have a velocity. So you see this one, you just push it up and it flies off. And we can go over here, grab this guy, we can float that away. And you get this really surreal experience of these guys just sort of flying in midair. Get you a good look at that. You can just take this and push it up. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, this right trigger now is takes me whatever direction my cursor is pointing here. So let's just go ahead and turn gravity back on. All right. And then the last thing that we need to check out is the playset experience. So this actually transports us to a new scene where we have this sort of little playset of the room. You can come over. Oops. Gotta be a little bit careful that I don't lose track of where I am. Pick up this lantern. Oops, put it underneath you. It will launch you in the air because of the way Unity works. But this is also something we can turn this on and off if I can catch up to it, since it seems to be sliding away. Box on my room is kind of running into the edges. I don't know if the recording captures that, but running into the edges of my play space here. So you can turn this on and off with the button on top, if we can get a good angle there. See, turn this on and off. You can also pick it up and move it around. Go over here to this guy. We can take the roof off, put it back on if we want to. I gotta let it go at the right spot. But yeah, we can take the roof off. You can see inside here. Move around the edge. We got these little doll figures here that are animated, you can see this sort of rest animation. Unity doesn't like it when you put people inside of you. And then you can drop these in. Gravity's a little wonky in this scene, but it still works just fine. It's just a little slower. Could also, if you want to, if I can get to a point where my room will let me, you can reach in and grab stuff. We could open up the door here, for example, and you can grab stuff and rearrange them in that scene. And then just to show you, we can go back